Minister mweru wotungata kuri muingi Moses Kuria thutha wa kwamukira ministry no kuma kuri minister wa uiganania na unduire Aisha Jumwa erite aruti a wira wa bicini no ati matige gutweka murigo kuri a Kenya amwe gutigirira ni matungatira muingi uri ora maribe igoti na njira igwete.
Each of us have got 55 people behind us, and we have a choice to ask ourselves as public servants. Are we a blessing or a pain to these 55 million? And I take something like, for example, our recurrent expenditure in this country is somewhere in the region of 52% of our tax collections. That 52% is consumed by the 900,000 at the expense of the 54 million. So that's a choice we have to make, because we are a burden to the people of this country.
Aisha Jumwa uri uratungata ministry-ini ya uiganania na unduire agitariria maundu mare ministry ya utungata kuri muingi irabotete gukinyaniria rungu rwa wathani wake ugite tabarira itiganite ta cia kube umenyeru wa wira kuri aruto wa bicini cia thirikari ni undu agitira amubau kabere itiayukitio.
As per the presidential directive of increasing numbers of the interns from 4,000 to 20,000. So the department has also developed a draft internship and volunteer policy and guidelines for the public service. I forwarded this policy. It is now at the cabinet office, and Waziri, you may want to follow up.
Akibiana kioneki giake Kuria ogete aruti a wira ministry-ini no ni mwebokago kaingi wa bicini cia muingi niguo gutungata akiuga ebotorete gutigirira ati aribi a magoti ni mona bata wa mbeca ciao kumana no tungata uria maribiago.
Being in public service is a very big privilege and honor that needs to be reciprocated by people who are enjoying that privilege and deliver more than a job to people who are paying taxes. 52% of taxes that are consumed by these 900,000 people. We really, truly owe the people of this country much more.
Kuria ogete bongeta cia Huduma Center thukuru ya thirikari na rubonge rwa andu ethi NYS no gatagataini ka bonge iria ikwambatirio ikiro rungu rwa wathani wake itanya-ini ria kugacirithia motungata.
What we want to do, I want to have a discussion with the Postal Corporation of Kenya, and we have got around 893 post offices. What we are going to do is ensure that everywhere there is a post office, it's also a Huduma Center, because clearly Kenyans have shown that they have got faith and confidence in Huduma Centers.
Ona gukiri ugo minister uyu ni abete mukana maobitha ma thirikari ari magondereire wira-ini wao akiuga ari bunguraga wobicini ciothe gutigirira wira ni uraruto na to wabicini nene Nairobi amune nginya thirikari-ini cia matura.
Also new State Department.
Akiyukia ministry ya utungata kuri muingi Minister Moses Kuria ogete ati mworoto ni gutigirira ati aruti wira ni matungatira a Kenya ta uria kubatie. Ngiribotera Inoro TV kuma Harambee House county ya Nairobi, jetago Masi wadia wa Murithi.